What we do at Lonza in Houston is not magic or some kind of science fiction. What we do is science fact.
From process development to commercial manufacturing and a dedicated cell and gene therapy manufacturing facility that we built for purpose.
A center for excellence, the largest of its kind at its opening, and now approved for commercial manufacture, offering our customers end-to-end development and manufacturing services.
What we do is bring expert scientific minds together. We form outstanding teams and empower them with the tools and technologies to change people's lives by producing potentially curative treatments and therapies.
What that means is being a part of a huge transformation, working with a variety of customers from big pharma through to tiny virtual startups across a variety of modalities and technologies.
Viral vectors, iPSCs, CAR-Ts, autologous and allogeneic cell therapies, amongst other emerging modalities, using the latest available tools and technology to redefine how genetic diseases are treated.
It means a career with many development opportunities and one of the most cutting-edge growth areas you could possibly get into.
It means sharing knowledge with subject matter experts, scientists, engineers, and business leaders, all of us innovating all of the time.
It means making a meaningful difference as part of a diverse medical and life sciences community in an incredible city.
What we do is simply unique.